Hi friends, today we are going to see the next topic of our series, that is from plant physiology, that is essential elements. So let's see this topic, essential elements. The essential elements are much more important to the plants, but these essential elements should follow the following criteria. They have three important criteria for the essential elements. First one, that is, the essential elements must required for the normal growth and development. If this essential element is absent or it is not given to the plant, then the plant growth and development get reduced. Second one criteria is that the essential element cannot be replaced by the another elements. So that element should not be replaced by the another element. If such thing is happen that one element it get replaced by the another and it do the same activity inside the plant, then that is not called as the essential element. So the essential elements cannot be replaced by the another elements. Third one, the essential element requirement must be direct, that is, it is directly absorbed from the soil by plants. These essential elements play some importance or role inside the plant. It get combinedly divided into the three. First, structural role, second, electrochemical role, and the third one, catalytic role. The first one, structural role. Inside that, these essential elements play the important role in the formation of different types of structure inside the plants, that is cell wall, plasma membrane, etc. These types of structures it get forms from the essential elements. Second one, electrochemical roles, that these essential elements balance the electrochemicals inside the plants. Third one, catalytic role. These essential elements activate the number of enzymes, and due to which the number of metabolic processes or a reaction it get activated inside the plants, so they play the catalytic activity inside the plant. These essential elements is get divided into the two. First, macro elements, and the second one is micro elements. Macro elements is required in the larger quantity, means this element or those elements which required in the larger quantity inside the plants. That elements is called as microelements. The example of microelements are calcium, potassium, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. Next, microelements. These elements is required in the smaller quantity, that is it is needed inside the plant in the smaller quantity. They are called as microelements. Example: boron, chlorine, copper, iron, manganese, and molybdenum, etc. The method of essential elements role is demonstrated with the help of hydroponics method. Inside this demonstration of hydroponics method, the plant grows in the water, that is the plant grows without soil and it is grows in the water. This water, it contain all the essential elements that is needed for the growth and development of the plant, except one element whose role inside the plants we have to identify it. It is not added into that water. Later on, after some days, some changes is takes place in the plants. From that, we can identify for what purpose these essential elements is needed inside the plants and which types of role they play inside the plant. We can identify it through this experiment.